If you are currently experiencing cold hands or feet, a sensation of heaviness in your legs when you stand, or mental fogginess upon waking, these may be early signals from your body indicating suboptimal circulation. Healthy blood flow is fundamental to our well-being. It nourishes the brain, sustains the arteries, and ensures that oxygen and vital nutrients reach even the most distant parts of our body, including the legs and feet. When circulation becomes sluggish, it can manifest as diminished mental clarity, reduced energy, and that familiar heaviness or fatigue in the lower body. Today, I would like to share with you a simple, evidence-based morning beverage composed of just 3 ingredients that can naturally support circulation to your brain, arteries, legs, and feet. I recommend preparing this drink before 10 hours a.m., when your body is most receptive to its benefits. Let us prepare this together. Begin with 1 cup of hot water and steep a single black tea bag for 3 to 5 minutes. Black tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly theaflavins, which have been shown in recent studies to support the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels. A healthy endothelium is crucial for maintaining vascular flexibility and promoting smooth, efficient blood flow from the heart to the brain and throughout the extremities. Furthermore, black tea provides a moderate, sustained release of caffeine, which has been demonstrated to enhance alertness and cerebral blood flow without causing the abrupt spikes and crashes associated with other caffeinated beverages. Once you have removed the tea bag, add 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, not Cassia cinnamon. It is important to distinguish between the two, as Cassia cinnamon contains higher levels of coumarin, a compound that, in excessive amounts over time, may pose risks to liver health. Ceylon cinnamon, on the other hand, is much lower in coumarin and is considered safe for daily use. Scientific research supports cinnamon's ability to promote healthy blood sugar metabolism and improve endothelial function, both of which are essential for protecting and supporting the vascular system. Next, incorporate 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger or a few thin slices of fresh ginger, according to your preference. Ginger is well documented for its circulatory benefits. It encourages vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, and helps reduce inflammatory stress within the vascular system. Many individuals report feeling a noticeable warmth in their hands and feet shortly after consuming ginger, a direct result of improved peripheral blood flow. Stir the mixture thoroughly. If you wish, you may add a squeeze of fresh lemon. Lemon juice is a natural source of vitamin C and has been shown to support nitric oxide production, which further enhances vascular relaxation and overall circulatory health. At this point, I encourage you to perform a simple self-assessment. Observe your feet. Are they cooler than your hands? Gently press on your shin or the top of your foot for a few seconds, then release and watch how quickly the color returns. This capillary refill time is a practical indicator of peripheral blood flow. As we age, our blood vessels naturally lose some elasticity, and the endothelium becomes less responsive. Factors such as chronic inflammation, elevated blood sugar, persistent stress, and prolonged periods of sitting can all contribute to vascular stiffness over time. When blood vessels become less flexible, circulation to the brain, legs, and feet becomes less efficient. This is often when individuals begin to notice symptoms such as brain fog, cold extremities, heavy legs, or general fatigue. Supporting healthy circulation is not about seeking a quick fix. Rather, it is about fostering long-term vascular health and resilience. This morning drink is effective because it works synergistically to support endothelial health, enhance nitric oxide activity, promote metabolic balance, and maintain vascular flexibility, all at once. Consuming this beverage in the morning before 10 a.m. aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythms, optimizing its impact on circulation and energy levels. Pay close attention to how you feel over the next 30 to 60 minutes. You may notice improved mental clarity, increased warmth in your hands and feet, and a sense of lightness in your legs. Remember, Small, consistent daily habits are the foundation of vascular resilience. Healthy circulation is essential not only for your brain and arteries, but for the vitality of your entire body. If you have a known vascular condition, neuropathy, or are taking blood-thinning medications, I strongly advise consulting your healthcare provider before making any changes to your routine. This approach is about supporting your body's natural processes, not replacing medical care. If you decide to try this tomorrow morning, I encourage you to reflect on where you notice the most significant improvements. Your feedback is invaluable, and I wish you and your loved ones continued good health. Thank you for your attention. Make today a great day. I am Dr. Mandy, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next session.